Matter of fact, wasn't it in the shop?
Yeah.
I think, yeah. I ain't know.
It's the A7, and I give him the hit and everything, and blow it on. Walk him down. He wouldn't even want to see it.
I bet you won't give me the hit in it.
I be laughing.
I bet you won't give me the hit in it.
I will.
In the order? I ain't talking about I ain't talking about it.
I give you the hit.
Nah, you already did, motherfucker. Shoot. That's the man right there, man. That's the car I want to ride in.
Yeah, he got the car.
Matter of fact, what is it? There you go over there. There you go over there. Ducked off in the corner hiding. That's the car right there. I wanted to wait till everybody pulled off, man. The main attraction.
I had to put my angle kit on it and my handbrake, and then we'd be ready to have a drift slash.
8-something wheel? My God, man.
3 fuel pumps.
All your alcohol level and stuff.
Yep.
Hey man. Hey. Hey, you think it'll shoot flames right now?
It's not warmed up yet.
Oh, okay. Bruh. But listen, I done heard and seen so much stuff about this car. I said, look, man, I just want to go for a ride. And when I seen you post that video and when I seen the numbers, I was like, listen, man, do not sleep on this car, I'm telling you. It still got to warm up. Hey man, so you gonna be the new Drift King? Listen, you know what? And I ain't even think about it, bro. When I was up there, and I ain't even know you be drifting, but they do that joint all the time. Oh, I ain't even peep the tag. Corn fed, E85 only.
Yep, you can smell the corn.
Oh yeah. Alright gang, y'all pray for me, man. I'm inside the famous Z. I ain't gonna tell y'all the numbers just yet, man, but when I say the numbers for this car is insane. I see it. Y'all look, it's corn fed, E85 only. So oh man, that corn smell good. Ooh. This is my first time riding the Z too. Oh shit. Oh snap. Yo. Oh.
That's low boost.
Man. How much boost that was?
That's 18 pounds. My clutch isn't grabbing in high boost.
18
21.
pounds of boost, dog.
That's not even pushing it really.
So what's the max you can go to boosting this thing?
I could go 26 before
26
pounds.
My God, man, that's insane, bro. Man, and that was only on 18 pounds, man. I mean, oh snap! Yo! Oh my God, man! Hey, this is definitely a, ooh, yo, no exaggeration, man. This car is insane. This car is insane, man. And he said it's not even turned all the way up. Now I'm gonna wait till after we get out. I ain't gonna tell y'all the numbers just yet, but I'm gonna, man, it is. You got to love that bridge, that underpad. Listen, it feels like I'm in a roller coaster, man. I keep doing like this. Man, that's insane, bro. That is insane. I noticed this on daily.
I have a daily, but I can drive this to Cali if I wanted to. I overbuilt it because I drive my cars hard on the track.
Yeah.
To be able to handle the abuse.
Ah, gotcha. My God, man, this is insane, man. My first time ever riding the Z, man, and it had to be yours. I'm gonna wait till I get out. You know what? Forget it. So, what did you say when it was making on E? Okay, before you put the E85 in, and before you upgrade the E85, you was on 93, right?
I was on 93. It did 534 at 10 pounds of boost before the built motor. Then we went flex, went E85, 3 Walbro 450 fuel pumps, and it's making 815 horsepower to the rear tires and 714 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPMs.
Over 800 wheel horsepower, man, on corn. That's insane. Man, that is insane, man. And the thing about it is, when you do these pulls, man, it pulls so smooth though. Like it just feel like you just keep pulling, just want to keep pulling and keep pulling.
Even though it's dancing in the back, she's pushing forward.
That exactly, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, even though like it'll throw you to your seat, but it feel like once you locked in, it's just gonna go. Like it's like a glide, man. Oh my God, dude. See, people don't understand the joy. Like you can see the excitement and joy on my face right now, bro. Like this is crazy, man. I love it, man.
Probably the biggest upgrade were these seats. Having this type of power, you don't have to worry about holding on to the steering wheel.
Yeah, because you locked in, yeah.
You can focus on driving the car.
Man, yeah, I can't wait to, like, now would you drift this car too?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I gotta get new tires, I already have a sesh.
Okay. Yeah, man, that's another thing, dog. When that happens, I want y'all to come with me on that one, because the only car I seen that drift, well, it was on TV, but of course, Tokyo Drift. But yeah, man, I want to see what this car do when it gets sideways. Everybody looking. They got the engine block there. Well, there might be enough room to squeeze around there. You want me to get out and
they're
finna move. Oh, okay. Well, I thought they was. They're not going. They don't see you trying to get by. Oh,
Take care.
Oh, man, hey. But they already asked me, but man, it's an insane car, man. And I was just telling them, man, these turnouts getting bigger and bigger, better and better, man. Oh, all right, gang. Oh, man, look. Bro, hey, that's a bad car, man. Listen, it's a smooth ride, but it's pulling, man. It's just so powerful, dog. 800 plus wheel on a Z, and it's probably weighing like what, maybe 3,000 pounds, if that. 32. Yeah, he got me all day, y'all.